And good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Sarah Forgani. Now at 5, the trial of a former Uvalde school police officer started today with jury selection. Adrian Gonzales was indicted on more than 24 counts of abandonment or endangerment of a child. He pleaded not guilty. 19 children and 2 teachers were killed in the Robb Elementary shooting more than 3 years ago. I want to go over to KENS 5 reporter Zach Briggs, who's live right now in Corpus Christi with the latest on the trial. Zach.
Well, all day, hundreds of potential jurors have been packing the courthouse here in Corpus Christi, and the judge presiding over this case plans to have a jury in place in time for opening statements slated for tomorrow morning. Now, Adrian Gonzales and his team of attorneys based out of San Antonio are ready to go. Gonzales pleaded not guilty to those child endangerment charges, as you mentioned. His legal counsel argued he would not get a fair and impartial jury in Uvalde County, so Judge Sid Harrell gave the green light to move it to Nueces County, here in Corpus Christi. The judge told potential jurors today he doubts there's not one person that hasn't heard about the Robb Elementary shooting, but he stressed it is vital the jury is made up of people who can hear the evidence presented by both sides without bias. Prosecutors allege Gonzales failed to head toward the sound of gunshots and follow active shooter training protocols. It took nearly 400 law enforcement officers 77 minutes to respond and ultimately kill the gunman at Robb. Former Uvalde CISD Police Chief Pete Arredondo was also indicted on child endangerment charges, although his trial date and location have not been determined by a judge at this time. Now, families of those directly impacted by the tragedy will pack the courtroom throughout the duration of this trial. It's going to be emotional, that's for sure, and it could go on potentially for 3 weeks. But again, we are still in the midst right now of the jury selection process. I'm in Corpus Christi. I'm Zach Briggs.
All right, Zach, thank you. And KENS 5 will have full coverage of the trial. You can follow the proceedings on air, online, and streaming on KENS 5 Plus.